Hey everyone, welcome back to DentChem. Quick distinction between Lewis acids and bases versus Bronsted-Lowry acids and bases. Now, you should know, in OChem we usually talk about Bronsted-Lowry definitions. We usually describe acids and bases in this sense. But we should be familiar with Lewis from general chemistry. And even so, sometimes we will refer to acids and bases using their Lewis base and acid definitions in OChem. Okay? And even on a standardized test, they could throw either at you, so you need to be comfortable with both. Acids are acids, bases are bases. These are just two different ways to maybe define a certain type of acid or base. Lewis acids and bases deal with electrons. I remember that because when I typically write out Lewis, I add the little negative sign there. That helps you remember when I'm dealing with Lewis acids and bases, my definitions are in terms of electrons. Acids are electron acceptors. Bases are electron donors. Our Lewis acids in organic chemistry are usually going to be when we have our central molecule like aluminum or boron, something that doesn't have a full octet. It's really the only time you're probably going to see Lewis acids in organic chemistry. Okay? Lewis bases, you're going to see these a lot more, but we're going to call them nucleophiles. Okay? You've heard nucleophiles before. You should be comfortable using them. And that makes sense, right? They're donating electrons. They're attacking species using electrons. Our nucleophiles, we're going to see a lot of those. Those can be considered Lewis bases. They're donating electrons. Lewis deals with electrons. Bronsted-Lowry is in terms of protons. And this one you're probably more comfortable with. Bronsted-Lowry acids are proton donors, and Bronsted-Lowry bases are proton acceptors. So all we did is we switched from acceptor to donor, and we switched because we went from electron to proton. Okay? So we're going from electron to proton, so we also have to switch donating to accepting, and there you go. Acids are acids, bases are bases. These are just different ways of defining almost the same thing. Bronsted-Lowry donors, anything really with a positive charge, but even not a positive charge, something that's donating a hydrogen. So even if you have something like an alcohol or water that has a hydrogen to give up, all of our product solvents are going to be acids. They can donate protons. And then bases are going to be accepting them. Okay, so what's taking our proton away, what's stripping that proton off, they're going to be our bases. So maybe an explicit negative charge or even something like water can act as both. Okay, there you go. Be comfortable with both of these and you'll sound really smart, okay, if you can use two definitions for the same thing. And that's the whole point. Not really. Whole point is to subscribe and like and learn from DentChem, okay, and have fun while you're doing it. Thanks for supporting the channel.